For those of you who are crazy enough to take on the Two Oceans Ultra Marathon on Saturday, it is going to be a quite warmish start to the day with 20 degrees and peaking at a hot 30 degrees on Saturday afternoon. So please stay hydrated. Similar conditions expected on Saturday. Another hot afternoon, peaking at a high of 30 degrees with light winds blowing mainly southeasterly. But there is a slight chance of a few isolated thunderstorms developing from late afternoon. So be on the lookout for those storms. But now let's have a look at your full weekend forecast. A huge contrast in temperatures across South Africa this weekend. While it's hot in the west, we're expecting this band of cloud with showers and thunderstorms and cool weather to still move over northeastern South Africa. It's been rainy in those regions with more showers on Saturday morning and patchy thunderstorms redeveloping from the afternoon, spreading over northwest Highveld and KwaZulu-Natal. Then into Saturday, a low pressure system exiting there over the coast of KwaZulu-Natal that will bring this onshore flow of moist air and most likely heavy downpours for parts of the Wild Coast as well as the adjacent interior in the Eastern Cape. Then on Sunday, we have another strong system, a cut-off low, now moving close to the West Coast, pushing thunderstorms down from our neighbouring country over large parts of the Northern Cape, and this includes parts of the West Coast, Namaqualand and the Karoo. Into Monday, that cut-off low moving closer to South Africa, spreading scattered storms over the parts of the Karoo as well as the interior of South Africa, and thunderstorms likely as far southwest as large parts of the Western Cape, and a few of those storms also likely to move over the southern coastline. Here's your summary on what you can expect on Saturday. As mentioned, more rain expected in the northeast with thunderstorms redeveloping later over parts of northwest Gauteng, Mpumalanga and KwaZulu-Natal, and scattered storms will start to move on Saturday here over parts of the Wild Coast, becoming widespread overnight into Sunday. We do have a yellow level 2 warning in place where heavy downpours could lead to localised flooding along the coast of the Wild Coast as well as the adjacent interior. So please just be careful and cautious. Do not cross a flooded bridge or road. And then on Sunday, due to that cut-off low weather system, we're expecting stormy weather to spread over the northern regions of South Africa as well as large parts of the Northern Cape and the Karoo, and those storms also reaching the west coast. Winds are expected to blow light this weekend over the interior of South Africa, but an onshore strong easterly southeasterly wind expected to bring in heavy downpours for the Wild Coast and a mainly easterly wind blowing fresh along the southern coastline. Into Sunday, winds becoming a little bit more fresh over the coast of the Eastern Cape, but strong here over Nelson Mandela Bay, and also a fresh easterly wind will continue to blow along the southern coastline and moderate northeasterly winds picking up over the western interior where we do have a high fire danger in place. We can clearly see that contrast in temperatures across South Africa on our temperature map with 30 degrees in Cape Town on Saturday, but only peaking at 19 degrees in Johannesburg, Pretoria as well as Bethlehem. And then into Sunday, only 1 degree warm in Johannesburg with 20 degrees, still lots of cloud hanging over eastern South Africa. It's chilly in northwestern parts of the Free State, but still hot in the west with 33 degrees in Worcester. Then on Monday, maximum temperatures are very slowly recovering, mid-20s for the northern regions of South Africa, but now reaching 30 degrees in the Lowveld, 22 degrees in Johannesburg, 20 in Bethlehem. Still chilly over the interior with only 19 degrees in Bloemfontein, and now Bergwind's heating up the southern coastline with maximums in the upper 20s. Well, that's all from me. For all the runners of the Two Ocean Marathon, good luck, and everyone have a lovely weekend.